Welcome to Baron One Shot. I'm your host, Arris. As all of you guys know, One Shots are where I talk about anything in the world of comic books whenever I want to talk about them, whether it be giving you my thoughts on breaking comic book news, movies, trailers, TV shows, whatever. And today I just wanted to share something with you guys that almost happened in 1984 that would have changed DC and Marvel Comics completely. According to former Marvel editor-in-chief Jim Shooter, Bill Sarnoff, the head of Warner Communications publishing division, approached Shooter in early 1984 about licensing the publishing rights to the entire DC universe to Marvel. His reason being Marvel's dominance over the comic marketplace. They were in a much better position to sell superhero comics than DC, which had been struggling in second place since the early 70s. Sarnoff saw the DC imprint as dead weight and a constant financial drain, and believed that the characters could thrive under Marvel's editorial and artistic guidance. Now, clearly this didn't end up happening because Marvel's publisher at the time, Jim Galton, declined Sarnoff's offer, thinking those comics weren't selling well because the characters weren't very good. And man, was he wrong, but I'm glad they declined because I'd rather the companies be entirely separate. If the deal had gone through, however, the entire DC lineup would have been canceled and Marvel would have started new with 7 titles featuring the most famous and best-selling characters at the time, which were Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, Green Lantern, Justice League, New Teen Titans, and Legion of Superheroes, with plans to expand if the new series proved popular, and the Flash's standalone book would be held over for the second wave. The Marvel and DC universes would have been kept separate though, at least at first, and most of the existing continuity would have carried over, though some or all of the creative teams would have likely changed. In summary, Marvel had the opportunity to buy the licensing rights to DC in 1984, and can you imagine if that would have happened? We probably would have got a Marvel vs. DC movie.